to spend hours sitting around talking about things that don't matter, gossiping or engaging in conversations that leave you feeling drained. The truth is, the people you allow into your personal space will shape your mindset. They affect how you think, how you dream, and ultimately how far you go in life. So when you surround yourself with people who talk about growth, support your goals, and hold meaningful conversations, your entire energy shifts. You start rising to the level of the room you are in. So now when I set my table, I do it with intention. I host to nourish relationships that build, inspire, and bring real joy. Be careful who you share your space with, guys. Choose community over crowd and substance over surface level. Thanks so much for spending another day with me. Let me know in the comments how you like to curate your own cycle, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.